Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add EMA in TradingView. If you've ever wanted a simple way to smooth out price action and spot trends more clearly, the Exponential Moving Average, or EMA, is a great tool to start with. It helps you filter out short-term noise so you can focus on the overall direction of the market. I'll guide you through adding it to your chart in just a few clicks, and I'll share a few helpful tips so you know exactly what you're looking at once it's on your screen. If you're a Shopify store owner exploring trading as an additional income stream, think of the EMA like analytics for your store. Just like you track trends in sales data, the EMA helps you track trends in price movement in a simple, visual way. Start by looking toward the top left area of your chart interface. You'll see a button labeled Indicators. This is where TradingView keeps all of its built-in technical tools, along with community-created scripts shared by other traders. Go ahead and click Indicators to open the Search and Library panel. Don't worry if yours says Indicators and Strategies. This is the same place. This section is powerful because it gives you access to hundreds of tools, but today we're keeping it simple and focusing on one of the most widely used indicators in trading. Now, in the search bar that appears, type EMA. As you type, you'll notice results begin to filter. EMA stands for Exponential Moving Average, which gives more weight to recent price data, making it a bit more responsive than a simple moving average. That responsiveness is important because it allows you to react more quickly to potential trend changes. You'll see options under different sections. The built-in or technical choices are maintained by TradingView, while the community-made indicators come from other users. Both are fine. The difference mainly comes down to customization and style. For beginners, sticking with the built-in version keeps things clean and straightforward. If you prefer something standard and reliable, the built-in Moving Average Exponential is a solid pick. If you want variations with alerts, color changes, or multi-timeframe views, community scripts can offer those. Once you see the EMA you want, simply select it. The moment you click, it will immediately appear on your chart. You should see a smooth line over your price candles, typically in a contrasting color, following the movement of the market. That's your EMA in action, helping you gauge trend direction and potential support or resistance zones. For example, when price stays consistently above the EMA, that can indicate an uptrend. When it stays below, that may suggest a downtrend. It's not a magic signal, but it gives you structure and context. If you're curious about what you're seeing, a shorter EMA reacts faster and hugs the price more closely, while a longer EMA moves more slowly and smooths out noise. Many traders like to experiment with different lengths to match their time frame and style. For instance, short-term traders might use a 9 or 20 EMA, while longer-term traders may look at 50 or even 200. You'll also find a small label on your chart with the indicator name. From there, you can open settings to adjust length, color, or line thickness so it's easy to read. That part is completely optional, but it can make your chart cleaner and more personal. A clean chart helps you make clearer decisions, just like a clean dashboard helps you run your online store more efficiently. And there you go. Click Indicators, search for EMA, choose a technical or community-made option, and it appears right away. That's all.